I've only just been made a junior designer, but then obviously I'm going to work at it and go further on in my career. We do all sorts of different characters here. In our pod we do Disney or Hello Kitty, sometimes Hit, so that'll be like Thomas and Fireman Sam. So some days I'll be designing different concepts, different ranges, so duvet or different licensors. Because doing an apprenticeship I've been put straight out there, and it's so much easier, well it's a lot better like being hands-on than I feel than being in college for 5 days a week. I'm doing so much more here than I did during my AS levels. Well, my little brother, he's just leaving school now, and I give him wise words of wisdom to do an apprenticeship. That's what he wants to do. He's seen how it works out if you stick at it. So he's going to go for that, but I would recommend it.